I really hope I'm not setting myself up for failure. Okay guys, so the little guy just went down for a nap. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the time and start the timer from there. It is currently 11:53 and I'll stop it at 12:53. I really hope I'm not setting myself up for failure. So let's get started. And since this is my first clean with me power hour style, I'm gonna go ahead and put up my hair because I know I'll be sweating a ton. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start out by sorting my laundry into colors and whites, and I'm gonna go ahead and start my first load of laundry after this is done.
To our doubts, faces filled with sadness. When words are said, we'll regret. I can see the fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up for never letting go. Said the things we promised not to say, then we break up just to start all over, even though we know this is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fold and put away this load, and you'll see in a little bit that I do check my watch, and I honestly felt like I wasn't going to finish this power hour because everything was taking so much longer than I had anticipated.
Promises to deep cuts. Let our fears hold us.
Okay, so now here I am just putting my son's clothes away. He usually does this, but he was in school this day and I kind of just wanted all of the rooms tidy and clean, so that is why I'm doing this right now for him.
Kiss your lips. I can see the fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up for never letting go.
Okay, I'm going to use the empty laundry basket to put my daughter's clean clothes in and to corral all of the toys that accumulate inside my room while I'm doing work. And let's just ignore that little paper clutter in the background. That's a work in progress. And inside our room, this dresser is a catch-all, so everything and anything always ends up on this thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and tidy this before I dust.
This is the hard way. This is the hard way. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you.
Here I'm using my Pear Blossom Agave Concentrate cleaning solution mixed with some water, and I'm going to go ahead and use that to spray down my countertops and my mirrors. One thing I found with this spray is that it does work really well on mirrors, at least for me. I ordered my concentrate from the Grove Collaborative.
Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet. We could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So
anyone else's bathtub always end up like this after bath time? I mean, we do have toys for the bathtub, but the kids always bring in extra toys, so this is the end result. So I'm going to go ahead and clear out the bathtub of all the toys that don't really belong there but need to dry. So I'm going to go ahead and set those aside before I start cleaning.
Baby, you and I should start living now, with the whole world at our feet. We could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
Okay, so here I am just moving the big trash bag so I can finish collecting all of the garbage from the rest of the rooms.
I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Okay, so that basket from earlier is pretty filled, so I'm going to go ahead and just put this in my daughter's room for now, and I'll come back to it later. And checking the time one more time, it is now 12:35, and I was getting a little nervous given that there was a little less than 20 minutes left. But here I am just cleaning off my computer desk since I was working on schoolwork that morning, and don't judge me by my 2 cups of coffee. It was a rough morning that morning. To clean the computer table and the monitor, I'm just using a dampened microfiber towel. It is just dampened with water because I didn't want any residue or anything left behind, so I find that just using a microfiber towel with water dusts really well.
I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah.
Okay, so since the upper level is completed, I'm going to go ahead and move downstairs, and I'm just tidying up a little bit before I have to start vacuuming. It wasn't that bad, so this didn't take me that long. I do have the baby on the baby monitor, and he is still sleeping.
I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the lower level using my Sharp Deluxe Pro. Can we take a minute to appreciate those vacuum lines? That is one of the reasons why I love this vacuum. It leaves the most cleanest vacuum lines ever.
I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love?
Okay, that is our dog crate, and it has been raining so much lately here in Arizona, and our side yard is not graveled. It doesn't have like rocks or anything. It's just straight dirt. So when the dog tracks in stuff from outside, it always ends up in that crate somehow. And we are crate training her, so that is why there is sand in there, but I vacuum this thing at least 2 or 3 times a day. Okay, but we are nearing the end of this power hour, and as you can see from the checklist, I did complete everything with the exception of not doing the bonus stuff. So if you like these kind of videos, please leave it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!